Whether family photos or professional portraits, photographs are a great way to add value and inspiration to a room. We'll show you some creative ideas for displaying photo in your home. Some of these ideas are unique, while others are practical but fun. Number 1. String lights and clothespins. Take clothespins, string lights, and some sort of decorative material and place the clothespins around the wall in a pattern. Not only it will brighten up your room, but it will also make a statement about your family and personal style. Number 2. Use a photo wall. If you have big photos with calendar print sizes, try using a photo hanger to show it off. You can even take it one step further and use several of them to create an actual calendar. Number 3. Use binder clips. Using binder clips to make your photo stand gives your room a wonderful finishing touch. Binder clips are inexpensive and you can find a variety of designs. You can even make them match your decor. Number 4. Natural elements. There are many natural elements that can create beautiful photo displays. Some of these elements include trees, plants, flowers, and stones. You can use natural elements to create a beautiful display that is both functional and stylish. Number 5. Vibrant color. One way to make a photo display more vibrant is to use a variety of colors. This can help to make the photos more interesting and eye-catching. There is something about vibrant colors that just makes everything seem more alive. That's all for today. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.